Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with another new video in which I will tell you about the Wi-Fi and hotspot problem in your device Vivo Y75 5G. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. If you are having any issue regarding your Wi-Fi or hotspot of your device, you can solve it by the way I am showing in the video. Just watch complete video and follow the steps so you can understand how you can solve your Wi-Fi and hotspot problem in Vivo Y75 5G. Let's watch the video.